Hey, what up, Tech Fam? Today I'm introducing you to Google's new project. It is called IDX. You can find this project at idx.dev. So what is the IDX project? And here you can see it states we started Project IDX, an experimental new initiative aimed at bringing your entire full-stack multi-platform app development workflow to the cloud. So let's explore a bit more about the project. So number one, there is a wait list. So I highly recommend you join right now so that you can get access as quickly as possible. So number one, it is hosted on the Google Cloud. That's going to allow you to work from anywhere and it's going to give you faster access. Next up, we have the different frameworks and languages that you can use with the IDX project. I also love the fact that they have different simulators for your apps, including iOS, Android, and a web preview. So it's extremely helpful when you're trying to compare and contrast how your projects are going. And one of the most exciting parts, of course, is that they are going to include generative AI with this project. And it is also powered by Codey. And here it states it is a foundational AI model trained on code and built on Palm 2. So that's also exciting. And you can click here. Well, actually, let me show you guys. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to this file where you can find out more information about Codey APIs and how you can actually use it. So, and this is the list of the different coding languages that Codey supports. And the great part that I also like that they mentioned here is that they are working on trying to improve the workflow and especially working with collaboration tools. So if you're trying to work with different programmers and developers, that's extremely helpful when you're working with different teammates. Really hope that they include that sooner than later, because I think that's probably one of the most important aspects when you are trying to create something new with different people. So yeah, just a quick overview of Project IDX. So I know I will definitely be joining a wait list. I'm most excited about the AI implementation, and it is the translating code between programming languages. So I think that's extremely helpful when individuals may be more familiar with one language over the other. So having this kind of tool help you to get in the in-between stages when you may not be familiar with certain codes, that's extremely helpful. So I really look forward to using this and see how it grows. All right, guys, so let me know in the comments what you guys think, and are you excited about this? All right, guys, have a great night.